Hey, welcome everyone to Liberty by Pulte Homes. Now this community is closing out. In this video, we are going to be touring the Hamilton floor plan. They will be offering one more Hamilton floor plan and they are accepting offers, so stay tuned. Welcome everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with Exp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome to Liberty by Pulte Homes. Now, just to give you an idea of where we're located, the nearest cross streets is Cactus and Bermuda. So we're about 10 minutes away from the airport and we're about 15 to 20 minutes away from the Las Vegas Strip. Really great location. We're close to the 15 freeway. We're really close to Las Vegas Boulevard. So, you know, very central location. This community has been up for a while. They only have 4 more lots that they're going to sell, and they're all gonna be spec homes. They're all gonna be done in June and July. So actually what I'll do is I'll show you all the spec homes on the screen above. The prices that you see, this is gonna be the final, this is going to be the price that includes the lot premium as well as the upgrades, okay? So they have 2 Jefferson floor plans, 1 Franklin and 1 Hamilton floor plan, all right? As far as the lot square footage, 3 of them are gonna be about 4,800, 1 of them is gonna be 5,200. And the best thing about it is they are accepting offers, okay? So great thing. Now HOA is $55 a month. That's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the Hamilton floor plan. So the Hamilton floor plan is 3,072 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. The base price is $620,990. This community will also be they're offering 1 more Hamilton floor plan, which will be ready in June, July. It is going to be a spec home. They put a bunch of upgrades into it actually. So the base price is $620,990, lot premium $16,000. The options total is $126,682. So the total price is $763,672. Now remember, all right, they are accepting offers. So if you are interested, you know, give me a call, okay? And then we could definitely put a pretty aggressive offer on this thing. Okay, I know they're closing out the community, so you know there's definitely some motivation to get these ones locked up. So get in contact, guys. But yeah, let's check it out. So again, we're checking out the model house, but again, you know, when we look at this model house, we're just kind of like looking at the floor plan. So I'm not too sure exactly all the options, which options were picked out for the spec home, but if you have any questions, just let me know. I will find that information out. So welcome in. We have 9-foot ceiling. Now we do have a bedroom right here downstairs. I know that's important to a lot of you, having a bedroom on the first floor. Now this bedroom is 10 by 12. It has its own full bath right here. Looks a little bit trippy because this is a mirror. Oh, gotcha. Okay, so this is gonna be it's gonna be the closet. So pretty small closet, but I feel like this would be ideal if you have, you know, a guest staying with you for the weekend. Or somebody who's, you know, very like staying with you for a short period of time. So right here, we're gonna have the dining room. So the dining room is gonna be 15 by 10. Okay, so formal dining room. And then you'll have your living room and then your beautiful kitchen. Okay, so the living room is going to be 23 by 17. Now, love all these open windows. Okay, love these windows. I think what they did with the ceiling is pretty neat too. That looks pretty cool. Here, so as far as the specific options, again, you know, if you're curious, just let me know. I'll find that out for you. But I do have some structural upgrades, info to the structural upgrades they chose. As far as the lot goes, the lot is, it's gonna be a corner lot, 5,328 square footage for the lot. So that's actually, it's pretty spacious. It's gonna be much more spacious than this backyard. Nice giant island right here. Okay, so we got your oven. You can have your door to your pantry. Let's check out this refrigerator. So right over here, so you're gonna have your powder room. All right, so you have your powder room, and then you also have storage space right over here. Okay, these doors are gonna be 6 by 7. Your laundry room is gonna be right here as well. Okay, so you get your coat closet. All right, so let's check out upstairs. If you are interested in checking out a new build community, do me a favor, shoot me a text, give me a call. I'd be glad to go with you on your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, that's completely okay. At least let your realtor know that you're interested in a new build community. Just make sure they're with you on your very first visit. The only problem is if you go to a new build community on your very first visit by yourself and the new build, you know, they get your information like your email, your name, your phone number. They won't let you have an agent representation down the road. You definitely want representation just because the new build agents have a fiduciary relationship with the new build. So that means they look after the new build's best interest. While realtors, we look after your best interest. So every day with my clients, I'm making sure they get the max builder incentives. They get the best deal. Then I'm walking them through the process. I'm holding the builders accountable. And lastly, the builders pay the realtor fees. So it is a no-brainer, you guys. So, you know, give me a call. So you're gonna have this nice big loft right here. And I think that's how it is gonna be in the spec home as well. Okay, yeah, so you will have this game room. Which is going to be 13 by 17. Okay, so 13 by 17, you're gonna have this just as you see it. So we got your linen closet right over there. Now you're gonna have your bedroom over here. So this is gonna be 12 by 12. Now also upstairs on the second floor, you're gonna have 8-foot ceilings. Right here, you're gonna have your full bath. So you got your toilet. Okay, looks like we got the rounded quarter edging. Now here, you're gonna have your suite. So the suite is gonna have its own full bath. Okay. So the spec home is actually gonna have this suite as well. Now this is gonna be 22 by 12. All right, so plenty of space, plenty of room. This is also gonna be facing the front of the house. And the spec home is going to have a balcony coming from this room as well. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's check out the primary bedroom. All right, so the primary bedroom, this is gonna be 22 by 15. So very spacious, very cozy. And look, they got this pretty small TV in here. It's like, you know, if this was your room, you'd have a pretty big TV. This is probably a 50-inch. I feel like it's smaller. It might be like a 45. Okay, so you're gonna have these nice large windows. As far as the shower, wow, so that's a really nice shower there. So you have your dual sinks. I'm not entirely sure exactly what the type of shower is gonna be in the spec home. But again, guys, just reach out to me. I will find out for you. Look at this massive primary closet. Okay, so you're gonna have the attic access up there as well. All right, but yeah, that pretty much wraps it up here. Let me know what you guys think about Hamilton floor plan in the comments below.